Okay, good one here. We need fewer than 8 zeros between the decimal point and the first non-zero digit. So that means that we need 0.00000000, and then like 125 or something like that. This would be 8 zeros between the decimal and the first non-zero spot. Okay. Now we're given t over 1,000 to the fourth, so it's t over 10 to the third to the fourth, of course, right? So it's t to the fourth over 10 to the 12. So it's like t to the fourth times 10 to the negative 12. Well, 10 to the negative 12, that moves the decimal point 12 spaces. Like, remember middle school when you did this and you filled in with zeros? So I know this will move the decimal point 12 places. I need fewer than 8 zeros, though. You know, so really I want to know, does t to the fourth take up, how many digits does it take up? Because if it's like, if the number, for example, like 8 times 10 to the negative 12, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, the 8 would take up a spot, and there should be like 11 zeros, because because the 8 took up one spot. So if it's like 16 times 10 to the negative 12, well, you can guess that's 1, 2, and then when you keep moving, that would be 10 zeros. Because this moves you 12 spaces, and this took up 2 digits, leaving 10 zeros. So there's going to be fewer than 8 zeros in the decimal expansion of this. I need to know, does t to the fourth take up, more than 4 spaces? So let's look at this. Well, if the possibilities for t are 3, so 3 to the fourth is 81. That only takes up 2 spaces. So this is going to be, not fewer than, there's going to be more than 8 zeros. So these are going to be 10 zeros, in fact, because the 81 only took up 2 spaces out of the 12 it's going to move. 5 to the fourth is 625. That's 3 spaces. So there's going to be 9 zeros there. So, right, this is 10 zeros. This is 9 zeros. So that's not the one either, because we need fewer than 8 zeros. Basically, t to the fourth needs to take up more than 4 places. 9 to the fourth. Who knows what that is? Well, 9 squared is 81. And so it would be 81 times 81. If I do the math, that should... see what's going to happen. It's only going to take up 4 spots, so that's not going to work either. This should be A. None of these are possible because none of them go to 5 digits. Okay? Redo that one on your own.